Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to be doing a Vidnami review, and the reason why we're doing another review on Vidnami is they've just announced their Black Friday deal and it's pretty epic to say the least. So in this video what I'm going to do is I'll show you the software and I'll show you exactly how this works. Then I'll show you how you can actually make money with this, because there's no point in getting this if you're just going to play around with this. And then I'll also show you how much this will cost you, and then we'll look at all of the bonuses that come along with this. So Vidnami, it's an absolutely awesome piece of software, and basically if you're looking to make money with affiliate marketing, if you're looking to make money on YouTube, or working with local clients, local businesses, or even just putting out content on social media, then this piece of software here, it will help you tremendously. So if you scroll down here, like you can see, create stunning videos for your business in minutes, and you've got all these different templates, and I'll show you how this, how these look and how it works. But some of the features about this Vidnami, it gives you automatic captions, so it will automatically transcribe your video clips, and then it will also give you the captions below. You can basically, there's over, well, it's coming up to 800,000 different video clips that you can use within the software. And look, there's no video editing necessary with this. And I know a lot of people use this software to create YouTube channels whereby they're not on the camera, they're not talking, they're literally just put in a script and it does all of this for you. So look, there's lots of features on here. Now let me just jump inside of this software and show you exactly how all of this works. So this is on the inside. Now I've had a Vidnami account for a number, well, it used to be called Content Samurai. I've had this account for a number of years, and I use this for my different YouTube channels. I use this for working with local clients, local businesses, and I use it for video sales letters and other bits. But let me show you how simple this software is to use. So I'm going to click on create a new video. Now over on the left hand side here we have got script. Now you see here we've got content video. Oh sorry, I'm lying here. Over on the left hand side we're on template. Then we just work our way down this checkbox down here. So the first part is we're going to select a template basically, and look, you can go through and have a look at all of these, and as I've mentioned, these are templates, so they're all editable. But let's just go with this one here, this neon yellow. So I'm going to click on here, and everyone that you click on, you can click play here and it will show you what the video looks like. But let me use this as a template. So first of all we're going to give this a name. So let's just go with YouTube example. So the next part is adding your script here. So write or paste your video script here. Now basically whatever you put in here, this will allow the software to create your video for you. So I'm going to give you a really quick example. So let's say we was doing some affiliate marketing and I'd gone over here onto ClickBank. I'd come into the marketplace and let's just go and grab something really quickly. So we'll go into here. In fact, no, we won't. I'll tell you what let's go into health and fitness. And let's go and look for diet and weight loss. Okay, so what's this? Let's just scroll up, let's just find a product really quickly. Flat. Just check on this one, make sure the link works. Okay, so that's fine. So let me close that. Come back over here. So this here, this flat belly. So now what I'm going to do is, and this is like an actual example, if I was promoting this product over on ClickBank here, I'd come over onto Google and I'd simply type in how to get a flat stomach overnight, how to get a flat belly, etc. So let's go ahead and find an article, how to get a flat belly. Where's that one gone? How to get a flat stomach in less than 24 hours, how to get a flat tummy. So let's just go with this one here. This article here, look, right? So let me get rid of that. I'm just going to take this, I'm going to copy this, I'm going to go back over to Vidnami. I'm going to paste that in there, okay? Full stop. Go back over to the article, come down here. And I'm just going to grab this bit here. I'm not going to grab the whole article, but I'm literally just doing this quickly to show you how awesome and fast the software is. Okay, so once you've put your script in here, we click on create scenes. And look at that, that's my video done for me. It's incredibly quick. Now on the left hand side here, you see this, you got flatter and stomach. These words here, they've basically been taken from the text or your script over here. But if you didn't want to use this image over here, you see this video, if you didn't want to use that, then what you can do is you could just type in the word stomach, just click on here, and look, it brings up all of these videos down here for you. And just keep scrolling down, it'll keep loading videos for you. So let's just go with this one here. How to get a flatter stomach, and then we'll go to the next one. And again, if you didn't want this one here, if you wanted, let's say, this video here, or if you wanted, I don't know, this one here, you can basically click on any of these videos that you want. If you don't want to use a video, then you can actually click on images, and you can use images. And you see? It just does this for you. So you go down to the next one, feeling bloated. So if I click on bloated, it's going to bring up all video clips that we can use with the word bloated. Or you can, again, you click on feeling, go on to clips, and literally you just scroll through and find one that you like. So I'm just going to click on there, and then I'm going to scroll down to the next one, come down to the next one, and like I say, you just go through and you change this. Change any of the background images or videos that you like. If you notice a spelling mistake in your text here, then you can go ahead and edit this. You can also play around with your text. So if you didn't want your text here along the bottom, then you see this box here. Change the position. If you want it in the middle there, look, just move it there. If you wanted it over to the side like that, this side, etc. Go down there. If you want to highlight any part of this or make it bold, you know, like this one here, make it bold like that. You can change your color, you can change your font, and lots more. So once you're happy with your video, just scroll down to the bottom here. We're going to click on add voice track to your video. And again, don't worry, you don't have to put your own voice on here. On the left hand side, look, you've got no voice track, music only. So you can literally just put music over the top of this. You've also got an auto voice. So if I click on here, you've got a number of options. You've got voices available from the USA, the United Kingdom, and Australia. The ones I use and recommend is in the UK is Harry, and over in Australia it is Jack. Let me just play a sample of Jack for you.
Hi, my name is Jack, and I would love to read the script for your video. So sit back, relax, and I'll do all the hard work for you.
Pretty good, isn't it? Or you can click on record your own voice, and how this works is you literally just read each line and you just go through them. So let me come off this. Or if you really wanted to, you could upload a voice track. So those are your options with the soundtrack, or adding over a voice. You've got music, auto voice, add your own, or upload a voice track. Once you've picked one, so for this one we'll just go with, let's just go with auto voice Jack, and then you click on preview your video, and then it will literally build the video for you. And look at this on the left hand side, we're nearly done. Now this is taking a little bit longer than normal, and that's because I'm recording my video over the top of this software. So I've got two softwares going on at the same time. But normally it takes less than a minute for this to go ahead and create your whole video for you, and it will import the auto voice as well. So that's the video done. You can see down here, this is currently a 29-second video. Now over here, we've got the option to add in music if we want. You can upload your own music, you can put a watermark on this, and you can look, there's many more options with this. So if you want to preview your video, you simply click on play.
How to get a flatter stomach in less than 24 hours, the expert's guide. Feeling bloated? We asked Healthista's nutritional director Rick Hay how you can get her a flatter stomach overnight.
And basically you can go through and have a look at this. If you want to adjust the timing, so if you want to slow this down or speed this up, you can do that. But once you're happy with this and you're happy with your music over the top of this, you simply click on looks good, continue. And then look, your video will be generated in high definition. So on the preview, it's not a high definition video. It's only once you click on generate, then it goes ahead and makes it into a high definition video for you. So that's inside of the software. I think you'll agree. It's absolutely awesome. It's very quick. It's really simple to use. If you've never made a video before, using this software here, it makes it incredibly simple and also incredibly cheap. Well, incredibly quick, sorry. Now, in terms of the software, how much is it? Well, normally this costs you $45, I believe. That's how much I pay anyway. I pay $45 a month for this piece of software. But because it's Black Friday, this is the current promotion and offer that they've got on, and there's a link to this down below for you. So you see here, you can actually get access to this software for $29 a month. Now, not only do you get access to the Vidnami software here, but look at this. This is everything that you get included. So you get 40% off Vidnami for life. So this will save you $216 a year. You also get a free Storyblocks videos, clips which are imported over into Vidnami for you. You see there's over coming up to, well, just under 800,000 video clips that you can use within your software. You've then got the 30,000 Storyblocks music tracks. Again, this will save you $240. And this amount of money here, and Storyblocks videos and Storyblocks music, go over to the website because Storyblocks do charge this amount of money here to get access to their music, and again they charge this amount of money here to get access to their video clips, but this is all included within Vidnami. So that's 3 of the bonuses. But if you come down here, look, they're also giving away, this is called Scriptnami. This is how to create income generating videos, sales scripts in under 60 minutes. You get this bonus, you get this question samurai, you get this here, this ebook, this smartphone camera tips ebook. This here is absolutely awesome. It's called the Video Traffic Blueprint Pack. Now, these are all templates, and these templates here, they basically walk you through how to create the best video to create sales or generate traffic or whatever you're trying to do with your video. This pack here, it walks through everything you need to know. Then we've also got a free YouTube SEO cheat sheet. There's a free 5-minute Facebook ad formula. If I come down here, 21 ways to find clients. So using the Vidnami software, they give you 21 different and unique ways to go ahead and find clients. And believe me when I say this, working with local clients and local businesses, you can earn some pretty good money for this. I work with some clients where I charge them up to $200 to $300 a video, and these videos, they're literally less than 2 or 3 minutes long. I mean, there's other ways that you can do this. I work with smaller companies, big companies, but it's just an awesome way to make some extra money. You also get the influencer template pack. This is 10 video templates designed to stand out on social media. And then they've also included a video, a free influencer video masterclass. So again, this is a new, something new that has been added into the software. I haven't seen this and I don't have access to this, unfortunately, because I already own Vidnami. But this here, what is this? It's a private session which will show you how to create professional influencer videos. So you'll get all of that there for $29. And if you pick it up using my link down below, I will also throw in my free affiliate marketing course for you, and I will also give you my YouTube course as well, which will show you how you can make money on YouTube uploading videos with affiliate marketing. So I'll give you both of those courses as well for free. So this is everything that you get included with Vidnami. Now, also at the beginning of the video, I said I'd show you a couple of different ways that you can make money with this if you decide to go ahead and pick this up today. So if I scroll down here, the first one is this one here. See this 21 ways to find clients ebook. So believe it or not, if you go onto literally go onto Facebook, and you can find businesses and companies who have Facebook pages and they're creating posts on there, but none of them are putting out videos. A really simple way to start making some money pretty much off the bat with this software is you can reach out to companies on Facebook, and don't let that put you off when I say reach out to them, because you can work with coffee shops, you can work with restaurants, bars, absolutely anything. And especially with what's going on in the world right now, people are desperate to try and get people and customers through the doors, whether that's now when we're in lockdown or once we come out of lockdown. There's a couple of ways that you can do this. I work with a client who actually owns a restaurant, and at this moment in time they're closed essentially. They're being forced to close because of lockdown. So what we're doing is we're creating videos on well, don't tell them, I'm creating videos for them on Vidnami, and what we're doing is we're getting people to give them the money now, so that once the restaurant opens, they get 40%, 50% off, you know, when they go back in. And this is another way that the restaurant's starting to, you know, get some income coming in for once they reopen. So that's a way that you can do this. You can work with clients in absolutely any business, any niche. Another thing that you can do is, well, a simple one which we've looked at so far is come over to ClickBank here, or any affiliate marketing network, find products that you want to promote, like these ones here, like this one, etc. And then go onto Google, find some articles, import them into Vidnami, make some edits, don't just copy and paste it, make some edits to that actual article, and then once you've done that article, upload that video onto YouTube and drop your affiliate link in the description. And again, I cover some of this in my in my YouTube course. So that's another way that you can make money with this software. And that's just 2 or 3 different ways that you can make money with this. You can also go down the route of, you know, creating videos on YouTube and uploading them. Let me share this website over here. Let me go over here and show you this really quickly. Because honestly, there are a number of, well, there's hundreds of YouTube channels which are making money using the Vidnami software. Now, there's one YouTube channel that you can go ahead and check out, and it's this one here. It's this one here called NAT Natural Cures. This YouTube channel here, the whole channel, look, 3.1 million subscribers. This has all been done using the Vidnami software.
Are you trying to lose weight?
So let me pause that and go into videos. And you see all of these videos here, look, you can see it. This is using Vidnami. Again, Vidnami, etc. So this channel here, with over 3.11 million subscribers, has all been done using the software. Every single video you go onto, it's all using the software, and you can see they're not very long, 3 minutes 11, 2 minutes 55, 2 minutes 58, 3 minutes 14, etc. So that's another way that you can do this. You can go ahead and create YouTube channels, and you can make it as broad or as specific as you like. So this channel here, they don't seem to be promoting any products, but you could go onto ClickBank. You could find a product that you want to promote, like this keto one here, or, you know, this soup, what's this, rapid soup diet. You could create a YouTube channel all around the keto diet, or all around the rapid soup diet, or whatever, basically. Once you've created your channel, you then use the software and you start uploading these videos here, and then within your description you leave a link to the product, and over time obviously it grows, and yeah, it grows and snowballs, and then you can not only make money with affiliate marketing, but you can also make money via YouTube AdSense. So that's just a number of ways that you can make money using the Vidnami software. But overall, you'll get access to all of this here, absolutely everything, and my courses for $29 a month. So it's a pretty good deal. It's, in my opinion, well, it's very worth it, because I pay nearly double that price. But yeah, that's today's video. So if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. There's links down to everything that we've mentioned below. But again, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.